Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Myself nileshhadalgi here, and today we are going to implement a push button wherein first push turns on the LED and second push turns off the same LED back. So in order to do this, already I have rigged up the circuit here, so let me just show you the demo what we are going to do today. Fine. Now let's just tap this on. The LED is on and the same push button, and the LED is off. On, off. So this is what we are going to implement today using a push button. So let's get started. What are the things we require? Let me just show you the requirement list. So we are going to require a push button, a resistor, any resistors are okay, LED, jumpers, and Arduino, and Arduino IDE installed on your PC or a Mac. So first let me go with the connections. So connections are something like this. When I have used two digital pins from Uno, that is pin number 8 and pin number 5, and there are two pins, VCC and ground. You can see this, these are two VCC and a ground here, and the 8 number pin is connected to LED with the help of a resistance. I'm using 100 ohm resistance here, and it is then connected to ground. And this is the push button here implemented, and this fifth pin is connected to one terminal of the button, and these two are interconnected in the push button, and this is interconnected with this, and this is interconnected with this, and we have just installed a resistor in this path to ground. Okay, and that's it. So let's move on to the code. So here you can see at the bottom I have rigged up the circuit, and here this is a code, and I'll just be explaining this code. So here I have 4 variables: push button, PSH, flag, and LED. This push button talks about this red push button here. So, and this is connected to pin number 5, so it is assigned as 5. And the PSH is the variable which stores the status of the push button, and the flag variable does the same thing. And the LED, we have connected our LED to 8th number pin, so here it is. So later on, coming to the white setup, we have made the push button as input device, input, so that because every push gives us an input, and LED is an output wherein it glows here. And here, coming to the while loop, first we are going to make this PSH. We are going to read what is the present state of the button. It will be 1 if it is pressed, or it will be 0 if it is released. So when it is pressed, the PSH value will be equal to 1. So we are just printing it here on the serial monitor, and there is a delay of 600 milliseconds, and this depends. You can just copy this, or you can just adjust it for 1 second or all, but it works perfectly fine for me. So coming here, if the PSH is equals 1, that is when the button is pushed, PSH value will be equal to 1. So this condition satisfies and comes down, and here there is a conditional statement, that is flag. I'm going to revalue the flag variable here. So flag is equal to 0. Initially I have set flag as equal to 0, so this condition satisfies, that is equals to 0. So if it is true, it comes and flag grabs the value of 1. If it is false, then the flag grabs the value of 0. So if the flag is 1, then the LED will be high, and if the flag is 0, the LED will be off. And after executing this if statement, the PSH value will be again set back to 0, and the loop repeats. So I will just upload this code. Let me just go to the tools, select Arduino. Okay, now just upload it, compile and upload it, and here you can see the uploading is done. So coming back to my circuitry, we can just test it now.